Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got swatches for the Moving On Up collection by MJ Lacquer. I'm starting off with this first one, and this one is called Flow Get the Door, and it's insane pretty. And this one is it's a green shade with a violet pink and gold UCC flakies in it. It is stunning. I did do 3 coats of this one. You may want a 4th coat. You may be able to get away with 2. It just depends on your application and the whiteness of your nail tips. Look at that. Oh, stunning. So next up we have Dinner or the Door. And this one is a thermal polish that shifts from violet to pink, depending on how you're seeing it on my swatch. I know on my swatch photo it's just got a little bitty bit of pink back towards the back, but it's definitely a beautiful polish. And I am doing 3 coats on this one as well. I love the flakies in this one. They're just so pretty. But you guys know I'm a flaky junkie. So I will have a link to MJ Lacquer down below. And here is my swatch photo for Dinner or the Door. Is that not so pretty? The next one we have up is called Really George. And this one is just... Now you guys know I love me some multi-chrome duochrome polishes. This one's really, really good. I mean, it's got some definitely color shifts going on. And it's a gold, green, copper multi-chrome. And if you want to save on the special polish, you can always layer this over black, and that way you don't have to do very many coats of it. I have done 3 here today. And here comes my swatch photo of Really George. And that's so pretty. Now this one is Miss Janet's favorite, and it's called Come On Weezy. Now I had to replace the label on the bottom of the bottle for this one, so my swatch photo is going to look a little different. Also, these polishes will be released by the time my video goes up. So they are live and available now. Look at that, Crelly! And then she sent me a bonus polish, and this one's not part of the collection. It's a beautiful pink called Elizabeth Rose. It is, you guys know I love me some pink polish, and when you add shimmer, I'm all game. So I want to thank Miss Janet for sending me these polishes. There will be a link down below if you would like to check them out and check out and see what else she has on her site. And I would love to hear which one was your favorite, so leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.